What did Franco Cozzo say when he stepped into a can of grey paint?
Fotos grey.
Oh, mamma mia, Franco Cozzo. Good morning. I'm standing on the skirts of the Maribyrnong River and I'm on the Footscray side. Footscrays, first people were the Kulin Nation until European settlers. And the first person to come here was Charles Grimes in 1803. By 1839, a punt was built to cross the Maribyrnong so the drovers could move their cattle and sheep stock over to the green pastures. Not long after, about 3 years later, the first hotel was built here, the Punt Hotel, and it serviced people coming over for 10 years. And then it serviced many gold diggers who are on their journey to the goldfields looking for gold. In 1928, the hotel was refurbished and renamed the Pioneer Hotel. Today I'm going to take a walk around Footscray and show you some of the early architecture that was built and also let you know a little bit more about Franco Cozzo. He's quite an iconic person in Footscray. Ruby and I have stopped in front of Maples Cafe. I'm about to have some lunch and a coffee. Got some chicken wraps here for me. Maples Cafe takes its name from the original Maples department store. There were many around Melbourne, but they are no longer. Griffith Jewellers, built in the 1890s. The facade was refurbished in 1936. At the time, it was one of the most stylish shops of Footscray. This stop of the day is the Franco Cozzo mural. Franco Cozzo migrated in 1955 to Australia from my parents' homeland in Sicily. And he was known for his amazing Baroque furniture.
The Baroque style shows wealth, status, prestige.
I'm like, oh, you're the guy who painted Franco. The mural depicts young Franco, and he's got like cherubs, like angels around his head, and he's releasing this furniture with wings.
If the best furniture you want to buy, Franco Cozzo is not far away.
Unfortunately, his son tainted the business a little bit because he got involved in the drug business, allegedly for stuffing drugs in his furniture. And unfortunately, Luigi ended up going to prison for some time. The man himself is an icon, reached out to many Europeans, especially Greeks and Italians, for his amazing furniture. And here they have painted a mural in honor of him. Unfortunately, Franco passed away at the end of last year, 2023. This facade is the Grand Theatre, which was built in 1911. It was refurbished in 1936. The Grand was screening films until 1987. Today it has given up itself to commercial businesses. I'm in front of the Footscray Town Hall, which was originally built in 1875. The current building, this one was actually built in 1936 in Romanesque revival style. The architect for the town hall was Joseph Patel. It's quite an outstanding building for its time and quite unique. We've come to the end of our heritage walk today at Footscray, and we've enjoyed her time exercising around the streets. We realised that the cultural area has changed since the early Southern European migrants, and we have very much a Vietnamese, Chinese and North African community in this area. So if you're interested in coming to see some of the wonderful buildings that Footscray has to offer, go online, check out the Heritage Walk and take a walk around Footscray and discover a new suburb in your area. That's all from us today, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Thanks for coming along. Bye for now.